Here we are at the Dollar Tree. Let's see what else they have here for Halloween or Thanksgiving or autumn. Here is some paper lanterns. So you have that one, the pumpkin with the black cat, and then you have this one. Then you have these tea lights, guys. Isn't that pretty? Okay, you have it in the gold pumpkin. I think I like the gold better. And then you have the purple spider. So then you have the pumpkin lights back there, and then you have these are spiders. I think these are new here, guys. These are the spider lights, and then you have the tubing, the mesh tube lights. Then you have your regular light up, and I think these are the purple lights. So those go all the way down. Then here's some more lanterns, and here's the purple one with the bat. So you have the purple party bulb, and then you have these cute little lanterns down here. So you have that one, and then you have this one. Okay, so you have those two colors. Then down here you have, these are LED witches. Okay, so you have a box of those, and then you have some more of these pumpkins. Now, they all look different to me. Like, these are pretty big. So you have that one, and I think those are bats, and that is the skull. Then you have some more lights down here. These are purple, and these are orange with those sugar skulls. I don't know if you could see them. So they come in that green tinsel, the blue, and here's the orange tinsel. So just so you can see, those are the sugar skulls. Then if you come down here, so you have these bowls right here, like for candy, and then you have these sugar skulls. See, like they have that blue and the green. And then you have some of these. Now I just noticed these are on an end cap display, so I had to stop and film this for you. Day of the Dead. And I think that's what they all say. Is it? Let's see. Well, this one doesn't say anything. That one says Day of the Dead. This one doesn't say anything. Okay. Then these are coffee cups, guys, and these are good coffee cups. These are the screw top ones, and they only have the one kind. So then they have these plates. These are new. We didn't have these here last year. Then these are the stakes for the ground. Day of the Dead. And then look at this humongous skull here. They have two of them. Let me back up so I can show you. And then you have that decor piece, that hanging decor piece. And then look at this. This is a felt garland. You have that one, and then you have that one. Then here they even have towels to match. Wow. Okay, so if you guys are into Halloween, I would run to the Dollar Tree to come and see this stuff, guys. Guys, just so you know, I'm not really liking how the cotton stems are looking. Like, I just want you to take a look at this. This is falling apart. It's not as nice as it's been in the past, but I just wanted to show you that. So sorry. Here you have the witches decor, hanging decor, and then you have the felt owls. Then you have the window clings. So you have this kind here. Those are the leaves, and there, that's the turkey that says give thanks. And let's see, that one, the turkey that says give thanks. Okay, so that's all as far as that goes. Let's see what's over here. So I'm absolutely loving this wall decor. So I think I showed this to you. And then they have the football one along the bottom. Then you have the felt. I'm loving that pumpkin. And then there's the maple leaf. And then along the bottom, guys, you have the metal stakes, the corn. And then here's some gourds in the box, decor piece. And then you have this Happy Thanksgiving with the cornucopia. Okay, so if I move this over, you have the thankful and blessed. Thankful and blessed. So I guess this goes over here. Then you have the harvest blessings. And then you have the red truck. I never get enough of that red truck, guys. Then you have family and friends. That's the stake. And then you have the home sweet home. Then you have some more of these window clings. So the autumn is really cute because look, they have the sunflower And then you have those. That has the red truck, guys. You see that? That is so pretty. Okay. And then these are the door hangers. And then you have that stake right there. And this one says friends gather here. And here you guys have the broomstick with the little scarecrow. So these are the farm fresh hand-picked pumpkins daily. Okay, and yeah, these are the pumpkin ones. And then these are more of these happy Thanksgiving. Friends gather here, and then these autumn signs and Thanksgiving signs. And this says pumpkin spice and everything nice. And then they brought back the, I love this sign right here, Hello Fall with the truck. The mason jar that came back. And then you have this one here. Autumn, apple cider, hayrides, pumpkins, and falling leaves with the sunflower. And there's a cornucopia, happy Thanksgiving. And here is the other mason jar that says grateful, thankful, and blessed. And there's the wagon, guys. Then you have the stakes on the ground. Now these stakes usually over there by the florals, but they're over here in the front. So this one has the wagon. And those are almost gone. And then here's some window clings with the turkey that says Happy Thanksgiving. Then you have these skulls. These skulls are iridescent, guys. I don't know if you can tell that. Here's the white one. Then you have some more of these ceramic pumpkins. Oh, look, they have one of these. So they stocked up again on these wooden pumpkins. So here's the orange. Thankful, grateful, and blessed. Gather here with grateful hearts. Pumpkin kisses and harvest wishes, and eat, drink, and give thanks. And then you have the Hello Fall signs. So if we come around here, these are the tea light holders, guys. This is the cat. Here's the skull. And and here's the witch's hat right here. So they have some more of these Hello Autumn, Welcome Fall, Be Grateful in the back. Those are pretty stocked. And then they have these metallic ones are so beautiful, guys. Look at these. I love them. This one says welcome friends. So then these, let me see if they're new. It says I was told there would be wine. I think so. I don't think I ever read that. Enjoy every moment. I was told there would be wine. How sweet. Okay, and here are the angels, guys. Dream. And then, yeah, enjoy every moment. Then you have these odds and ends, the trays, and some more of those tea lights. Then look at this. Okay, so these are new to this Dollar Tree, guys. Trick or treat. And then this one over here says Happy Halloween. Okay, that's pretty neat. Okay, so here they have Be Grateful and Give Thanks. Those shadow boxes. Let's see what's on this end. All right, so I like this. Isn't that beautiful? I really do. So they only have one of those pumpkins with the initials and some more of these Harvest Blessings. They do have a whole bunch of these in this. Here they must have restocked. So that one says Hello Autumn. Now I don't think I've seen that pattern. Is it me? I don't think I've seen that pattern. But there it is. And some more of those. So if I look at the burlap pumpkins, so this is the first time in a while I've seen these. I did see one orange somewhere else I was. And then they have these gourds with the corn on the cob, and then they have the glitter ones right in here. So the velvet pumpkin, guys, they only have the orange ones left. Let's see. So here are the scarecrows, and here are the vase fillers, guys, and glitter. Then you have the scarecrow over here and the welcome fall. I'm sorry for the noise, guys. And here's the welcome sign. And here, guys, is the scarecrow in the burgundy. I don't know. That one says Happy Harvest. You can barely see it. There it is. Okay, so I think that's pretty much it. I think I got it all for what they have new. Thank you guys for coming with me to Dollar Tree to take a look at their fall decor. And I'll see you in the next video.